Good morning, everyone. This is T. Agnapriya from CSE G section from Srinivas Ramanujan Institute of Technology. Today, I'm here now to discuss about the topic solenoidal vector. So, what is solenoidal vector? So, solenoidal vector means if delta f bar equal to 0. When we are finding the delta of an f bar, it will become 0 and the answer will become 0, then it is a solenoidal vector. If the condition is going to be true, then it will be solenoidal vector. So where f bar is known as solenoidal vector point function. See, in vector calculus, a solenoidal vector field, also known as a divergent tree or incompressible vector field, is a vector field where the divergence is 0 at all points. At any point, either it I, j, k, p, q, r, s, any point, it will become 0. That is the definition and purpose of solenoidal vector. So show that r by r cube is a solenoidal. Now we are going to discuss this little example regarding to the topic solenoidal vector. So let us take r equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar and r equal to magnitude of r bar. So we have to show that r by r cube is a solenoidal. What is solenoidal? Del of cross f bar equal del dot f bar equal to 0, right? Now we have to find the del of r by r cube. So now we have to find out the del of r cube. R by r cube. Before that, we have to substitute r equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar in what r. So what we get xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar by r cube. So del of r by r cube equal to I bar in what is the del value? I bar into dou by dou x plus j bar into dou by dou y plus k bar into dou by dou z. So next r per minus cube, here the r cube is in the denominator place, right? When we take it into the numerator place, it will turn into r per minus cube. So r per minus cube into xi bar plus r per minus cube into yj bar plus r per minus cube into zk bar. So I out of all this equation, we have to take any one coefficient of out of I bar, j bar, k bar. So now we are taking the coefficients of I bar. So what we get? Dou by dou x into r power minus 3 into x. So summation r power minus 3 will be in r power minus 3 will be in the outside. So why we are taking summation means it all will, when we take out the summation, we will get what we have in the before, in the previous. So r power minus cube plus x into minus 3 r power minus 4 dou r by dou x. When we do this dou by dou x, when we do the differentiation, we get this. So summation r power minus cube minus 3x r power minus 4 into x by r. R power minus cube here, this will turn into as here x 3x r power minus 5 and summation x square r power minus cube minus 3r square r power minus 5. What we get means 3r power minus 3. 3r power minus 3 minus 3r power minus 3, we get 0. So what is solenoidal vector? The del of f bar equal to 0. It is proved now. So what is, we have to find now curl of a vector. So del cross f bar equal to del of I bar, j bar, k bar. So we are going to write the coefficients of del and f. What is the coefficients of I bar, j bar, k bar in del? Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. So what's the coefficients of I bar, j bar, k bar in f? F1, F2, F3. Now we are going to do the del operation here. So I bar into dou by dou y of f3 minus dou by dou z of f2. So when coming to the j bar, the sign of the j bar is negative. So minus j bar dou by dou x into f3, dou by dou x of f3 minus dou by dou z of f1. So when coming to the k bar, it will be the positive sign. Its coefficient become positive. So plus k bar into dou by dou x of f2 minus dou by dou y of f1. Here dou by dou x of f2 minus dou by dou y of f1. It all becomes 0. So the curl of a vector will also becomes 0. The solenoidal vector also becomes 0 and it will become irrational. Thank you.